Library, and I'm here with Victoria, our technical services librarian.
And this is Emily, our children's librarian.
And we have a big box of new books that just came in the mail today. We're going to look at what we've got. A new Elise Gravel, she's great, and it's called Killer Underwear Invasion. How to Spot Fake News, Disinformation, and Conspiracy Theories for Kids.
All right. We have next, Call Him Jack, the story of Jackie Robinson. Ooh, good nonfiction. Looks like I have a cart here too. Someplace to put him.
Okay, a new middle grade fiction book by Kaylin Bayron, The Vanquishers. A sharp vampire tale full of bite, heart, and humor.
All right. Ooh, Wild Oak, C.C. Harrington.
Ooh, junior fiction. The Level Up 2023 is out for our gamer friends. This is the official roundup of the year by gamers for gamers.
The Familiars. Ooh, look at this. We got
Some kitty
witches,
cats,
wizards, some magic happening.
The Spooky King, R.L. Stein, all new short stories book, just in time for spooky season. It's called Stein Tinglers.
Oh, fun. Guess what? Kids can cook too. Look at that. And it's cook anything. Ooh, garlic, feta, and cucumber salad. Exciting things.
Who would win? Wolverine versus Tasmanian Devil.
I don't know.
I
We'll have to
know
read
because
to
I've
find
read
out.
it before, but you'll have to read it to find out.
Dressing Up the Stars. The story of movie costume designer Edith Head.
Ooh. Mama in Congress, Rashida Tlaib's Journey to Washington. Picture book for kiddos and biography.
Yay! All right, we have Blackbird Blue Road. This looks like a little adventure.
Maya's Son. It's another picture book biography of Maya Angelou.
You Only Live Once, David Bravo.
Oh, that's supposed to be a funny one.
Fun.
Oh, and then we have some board books. You are getting sleepy.
And not only that, Hello, Beautiful You.
Now this one is replacing one of our books that got read to shreds, so it must be a good one. This is a classic, My Brother Sam is Dead, a novel of the Revolutionary War.
All right, picture books. Bessie, the Motorcycle Queen.
Ooh.
Where to next?
And Dazzling Dolly, Dolly Parton. Everyone loves Dolly.
The Secret Letters, Mysteries of Trash and Treasure. I think this is a
new
series.
Yeah.
We get to start.
Ooh, nonfiction. Legendary Escapes. Ooh, from the dramatic escape of Giacomo Casanova to the escape of Alcatraz.
What?
A thrilling illustrated account of some of the boldest and most sophisticated escapes in history.
Oh, fun. The Replay, 25 Greatest Moments in Sports.
Oh, this is like a sci-fi fairy tale retelling. Joe Bright and the Seven Bots.
All right. The Mother of a Movement, Jean Manford.
Oh, My Diwali Light. We're going to read this at our Diwali celebration this year.
Tales from the Treehouse, Too Silly to Be Told Until Now.
Oh, everyone loves the Treehouse series.
Oh, yes.
All right, this is another replacement, Pride and Prejudice. people love this mother-daughter book club series so much. They read this till it was falling apart.
Now it's brand new, new copy. And then lastly, we have Amira and Hamza, The Quest for the Ring of Power. Ooh, another adventure.
Thanks, Victoria.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks for joining us today for our unboxing video.